too far. Last night he said he was going to give me a secretarial pad. But I think a girl should live at home. At first.
Hey, Dick. I understand you're quite a bird watcher.
I know every bird call there is.
Really? Did you ever hear a bald eagle scream?
Did you ever hear one that didn't? They sound like this.
On the 28th day, when the sun shines without relief, and the wind bloweth not, the maidens dance in heat up to 220.
My son's mother-in-law is one of those real interfering women. Imagine she wants to move into their apartment. Well, that would be awful. It's so cozy with just the three of us.
I think the church should appeal to young people, but isn't it going too far calling Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John the God Squad?
Boris and I are doing beautifully in our touch typing course. Next week we get to the typing. Woo!
Hey, Rena, did you hear that George Wallace had a new heart transplant?
Oh, really? Well, how'd they do that?
Well, first they cut a hole in the sheet.
Jeremy, is it true in London you call cigarettes fags?
That's quite true, Pam. I suppose on every packet really should say, caution, fags may be hazardous to your health.
Goldie Art Man's accomplishment's fantastic. Just think, we've broken through the space-time continuum, successfully probed new galactic universes, and capped it all with a triumphant lunar exploration.
Well, my feeling is, Dan,
Yes?
that if we keep all this up, maybe someday we'll get a man to the moon.
Hey, Dick. We have a groovy sex education course at our school.
Yeah?
The lectures are held in the classrooms, and the final exams in the gymnasium.
Oh, sure, and I'll bet right after the exams they all go,
Goldie, I see where Congress has cut back welfare payments in order not to show a deficit in the budget. I guess they believe better a balanced budget than a balanced diet.
The rat control bill might have had a chance to pass the Congress. Unfortunately, they left it in the basement overnight, and it was chewed to pieces.
You know, Dan, blacks have a really rough time in the Union of South Africa.
Well, minorities have it rough all over.
Yeah, but it's tougher to be a minority when there's more of you than there is of them.
Movie theaters are trying to appeal to all age groups. They're showing Cher's new picture, Chastity, on a double bill with Snow White and the 7-Year Itch.